In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the default export file type to a WebP image on your GIMP application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Edit tab up at the top, and then go down and select Preferences. Select Image, Import and Export on the left side, and then scrolling down on the right where it says underneath Export File Type, click the drop down and select WebP Image, and then select OK to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.